Hey, it's me again, and welcome back to Stoneblock 3. In this episode, we're going to be doing a few more singularities, and I want to start out with one of the ones I've skipped over, which is the Nitro crystal one, because I think there is a way to automatically do this with a RS crafter. It's redstone storage crafter? Is that what this is? Oh, refined storage crafter. So this guy, I've never used refined storage before, so something about this thing can set the right items in? I don't know. I think that's what this is. Raw advanced processor. So processor binder. So we're gonna need this. It said we're gonna need an iron. Give me this. We're gonna need silicon. Do we still have silicon? I don't think silicon even has EMC. It does have EMC. Interesting. Redstone. Diamond. I think I saw diamond. Okay. And then we're gonna need the... what's it called? It's one of the create things. Deployer. We need this. Okay, thank you for the stick again. I certainly appreciate it. I put this here. So you... okay. I didn't want to do all of those, actually. You here. You here. That work? Okay, so we got an incomplete raw basic processor. Okay, so then we need silicon. So take this, replace it with the silicon, then replace it with the redstone. Then it should be done. Yes? Okay, raw basic processor. Then I smelt this, right? I smelt it. Yes, I smelt it, and then another step, and then I'm there. Is that how all of these are? Is it basic processor? This one's different. And then I'm missing one of these, right? Oh no, it's two advanced processors. So two of the diamond ones. Okay, so I do this again, like this, and then put these guys here. Then it'll be silicon, then it'll be redstone. It's not as bad. I forget that it's not actually that bad. Boom. Boom. And then replace this with two diamonds. Dude, this way, this time it's going to be a little bit faster. Take those, put the redstone in. Nope, put the silicon in, and then put the redstone in. Are you going to work immediately if I do this? Okay, no. Not exactly. There we go. Would have been nice, just saying, would have been nice. I'll just wait for this to be done. So we gotta smelt both of these, and then we'll be done. There we go. And now, for not this, for these guys, you want that, and then you're gonna want that. Okay, so that's all these random things. Machine casing wants quartz enriched iron. Okay. It's done. I didn't make it. Classic. And now I need more quartz enriched iron. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Crafter. Now, how does this thing work? That's my question for you. So, I think your output needs to be this way, if that's even the output. Don't even exactly know. Okay. Oh, it says energizing orb. Guess I'll have to look up how this thing works. It needs a refined storage setup, huh? So I need a controller, a pattern grid, some patterns. Controller! This guy. Well, that's not bad. It's not horrible. It's not horrible at all. Okay, I'm gonna make a bunch of these real quick. I'm gonna make a bunch of these. I'll be right back once they're all done, because it takes a little bit of a while. How many did I just need? The one? I just need the one. Okay, we'll take that. And apparently I'm gonna need a stack of these. So give me a stack of those. Just get this out of the way. Just get this out of the way. It's actually way cheaper than making an ME system, so I'll give you that. Oh! Did it instantly fill up? Okay. Instantly filled up. Okay, controller. Crafter. Okay. And then we're gonna need the pattern grid. So our patterns like these drives. Oh. Which are filling up. Is that the way it is, or is this something different? So pattern grid needs a grid. Oh boy. Which needs, oh boy. Okay, this whole thing with gold. All right, I'll do this again. I'll be right back after I make the gold version of this. All right, so those are basically finished. So we need the grid, which needs a construction core, what is the other one? A destruction core. What else are you going to need from me? This machine casing? Okay, I'll make the machine casing. There you go. Grid. Normal grid. Now I'm gonna need the pattern grid, which wants this pattern. Okay, that's incredibly easy to make. So can I just throw them all together? And yes, I can. Pattern grid. Yay! So this. Okay. Pattern grid, huh? All right. So we need to make another pattern, I imagine. Good thing they're cheap. They're actually pretty insanely cheap. And you can EMC them, so that's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so I put the pattern here. Then I go in processing. So like that, this, like this. Work? Processing. Do I have to need to tell it what it makes? All right, let me make the proper amount. Let's do this. Let's make this thing. So, one of you, two of you, one of you. Just a casual, 20 million RF. Okay. You will make 16 RF or nitro crystals. Okay. So I put you in there. Now I put you guys in here. Wait, does it need storage? I haven't used this mod, so I'm not sure how I do storage. Is it this guy? I'm basically making an ME system again. Why does ME system autocrafting have to be so hard? Like, I have to do this whole mod just because I don't want to deal with an ME system autocrafting. It's fun. It looks really cool, but man. Item discs. Make me item discs. This guy. This actually seems way easier. I'm not gonna lie to you. So how do I make this? This is so easy. It's so easy. I should have just done this mod. I don't know why I didn't just do this mod, man. This is so much easier. If I put this here, you gonna be happy? You gonna be happy? There's your storage housing. Boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. There it is. I did it. No. What did I just make? Oh. What? Did I not make What? 1K storage. But okay, I didn't make the thing. Okay. No, stop it. Stop it. You stop that. Okay. I can put items in you. Yes. Yes, I can. And you know what? We're gonna need another pattern. And you're going to teach it how to make the blaze meshes. So, clear that out. Nope. One blaze mesh will make one block of blazing crystal. Okay, then throw this in there. Now, craft. How many? Make me 62. Start. Okay. Okay. I found the issue. That's what comparators are for, right? Comparators? That's what this is for? Yes. Comparators? I ran out of sticks of all things. Okay. Comparator. You can say... I actually don't even know which way this faces. I'm pretty sure this is how comparators work. Yes. It's not even going in there. Wait, what? There we go. Okay. Only when the signal's off. Okay, it filled it up with too much because I don't know how to make things. Okay, so it's lighting up because there's something in there. Okay. All right. It's currently ignoring. Right, so signal locks autocrafting. Power 0, of course. Of course. All right, give me a repeater. Give me a repeater. Okay. You're filled up. Boom. There we go. There we go. Yay. Oh, man. I'm sorry. It's all my fault. It is all my fault. I don't do redstone stuff too often. I'm not the redstone guy. I'm not that guy. As cool as it is, because it's basically you're just programming, which is awesome. I'm just not that guy. So, all right, there we go. So that's going to be feeding that stuff in there. So we're actually going to be needing a lot of these though, aren't we? It makes 16. How many do we need for each singularity? 240. So what was that, 15? Quick maths, probably not 15. No, that is 15. So 15 blocks of blaze meshes will equal 1 singularity. Let's say we need like a stack of singularities. So I don't know, let's just make 15 stacks. I feel like that'll probably get us there. Me, when I cosplay doing the math. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 start. Boom. So now it's gonna be doing that. All right, I'm actually really glad this is working, because it was a little sketchy there for a little bit, but we finally got that to work. So as that goes, there's another recipe that's gonna be a little bit annoying, and that's the source gem. So I kind of forgot that source exists. I was like, oh yeah, you just throw it in there and it'll make it, and then you don't even have to think about it. Source exists. Now I have a question. I have a quick question. Maybe it's not that bad. Because what if I put this 100% full source jar into the energy condenser? No! Oh. How am I going to do this? This is a lot of source gems that I'm gonna need to make. I don't have a whole lot of source. So all you really need to do is put lapis into here and then take out the source gems. So I don't have a whole lot of source though, is the thing. And I'm pretty sure the more that'll go on at the same time isn't gonna make it any faster if I don't have source. Right? I don't know. Are you gonna tell me in Ars Nouveau how this thing works? It slowly generates source on its own. Maybe I can do it this way. Okay, we're gonna need some more room. We're gonna need a little bit of room for this guy. Put this right over here. I don't want to be too far away. I am using a whole lot of room. I haven't gone vertical yet. I've kind of just been moving in several different directions here. I haven't really done anything like up or down. I guess I can make a room down. Why not? And let me make a feral flare lantern real quick, because those things are pretty cool. They're pretty neat. So if you don't know what a feral flare lantern does, is it makes light. But like the light's invisible, so you don't have to see it, and I don't have to make light. So that's pretty neat. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. There we go. Okay, I'm not destroying my floor. Yay! Already placing down some lights. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Feral Lantern. Thank you. It works pretty fast, too. So, it's gonna be pretty simple, really. Just gonna have lapis lazuli come in, and then have the source gems come out. So, lapis lazuli has EMC. Well then. Do I have another energy condenser? Oh, source gems don't, by the way. Source gems do not. Do I have an energy condenser? I do. Give me some blocks of emeralds. Energy condenser. This guy right here. Lapis lazuli there. Put the lapis lazuli in here. Then do iron pipe. This. Boom. And then do the ultimate upgrade. And then we'll throw these in. So now it's going to be filling up. Good. All right. And then just have it output like this. Okay, it's filled. Yep. All right, they're all filled up pretty quickly too. So then we will put pipes. This will be expensive if I use these. That's a lot of EMC to eat up to make an ultimate pipe grade for each and every single one of these. So now do this. Do this. Oh wait, I don't need I'm dumb. Oh, silly me. Oh, silly me. Is it not extracting? Why is it not extract? Why is there lapis lazuli in you? Would you care to explain? Okay. There we go. Yeah, so I didn't need to filter it out because it's a storage drawer. Well, it doesn't need the filter. Yeah, I was thinking I was gonna have to filter it so that the lapis lazuli wouldn't get into the storage drawer. Simply not how storage drawers work. Simply just not how they work. Yeah, I didn't even need the source. I didn't even need the infinite amounts of source that I thought I was gonna be needing. Cause that's pretty fast for me just making a whole lot. If I ever need more, I could just come back and do some more. But I want to make room in case I need to do even more stuff. I want to take up all this room that I have going. Beautiful design, must I say? I think I must say, beautiful design. 46. That's almost, it's almost one singularity. So with how much time that might be passing here, and again, I could just keep doing that off camera. You don't need to see me keep doing that over and over and over again. Are you done yet? No, you're still going. Okay. Now, make a stack. Yes. Add this. Submit. Yeah, the ultimate upgrade does make it so that I could do either one. Oh, interesting. It's not getting rid of the blaze mesh. And now I have a stack of nitro crystals. Okay. Make me several stacks, mayhaps. And how are you doing on power? Being drained. I'm gonna need to use a little bit more of this. And I'm gonna teach it one more recipe, which is to make the Uraninite. So why don't we do that right now? So pattern. Give me another one of these patterns. Super easy to make. I can even EMC those one day. Grab me one of these raw uraninites. Go over here. Teach it the pattern. And basically, that's gonna be another singularity done once I teach this pattern. So clear this grid. 1 raw uraninite. 2 uraninites. That's a stack. No, stop. No, stop. 2 uraninites. And then pattern. Boom. Put that in there. Okay. Do that. And then we'll add uraninite to the filter. Boom. And now, whenever I want, I can say to make all that uraninite. Alright, so that's basically going to be this uraninite singularity being done. I like auto crafting. The ME auto crafting, like this guy over here. This is what I'm talking about. The ME crafting is super cool, but this is essentially the same thing on a much smaller scale. I like it. It's very neat. You don't have to go make that huge disco ball. You don't have to go and do that. All right. I think I'm going to end it here as I'm currently dying on stream right now. Put it in. There we go. So we can make the nitro and uraninite singularities with this refined storage auto crafting setup, and we also it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. We've automated our source gem production. We already have like 200 in there, so that's like 4 singularities. With how much time we're going to be spending making all these other singularities, this might be done. It's not our slowest. That's for absolutely certain. So I think we only have 4 non-EMC singularities left. So depending on how long those take, maybe we'll be finished making non-EMC singularities. So yeah, that is going to be enough for this episode. So if you enjoyed, let me know in the comments below. If there's a game that you want to see me play, let me know, and I might just give it a go. And you haven't already, subscribed to your bro. And hey, thank you so much for watching. See ya!